Welcome to Hosting Your Coupon Code channel. What's up, future website owners? You've just stumbled into promo code paradise, where hosting or discount codes flow like water. I'm about to be a fly on the wall and show you the insider secrets to massive savings. Today, I'm rocking business hosting as my example, but listen up, you can grab any plan that vibes with your project. The choice is yours to rock. Here's the game changer. Pay attention because this is where the magic happens. My special partnership discount code hooks you up with an extra 20% off. Compare that to a standard promo code that only saves you 10%. That's double the savings just by clicking the right link. Are you ready to roll with a smart choice? Go big or go home. Duration matters. I've locked in the 48-month plan and check out these bonuses. Free domain registration and 3 bonus months thrown in. Here's my insider advice. Max out that duration slider for maximum discount power. The math that'll make you smile. Let me paint you a picture with cold, hard numbers. Year 1 purchase, business web hosting for $41. Renewal after year 1 jumps to $95. Ouch! Smart move. 4-year upfront purchase for $108 total. Do the math. That's 4 years for barely more than 1 year's renewal cost. Now that's what I call rocking your budget like a pro. Your action plan to rock this deal. Here's how you roll into these incredible savings. Hit up the link in the description and comments. Every country, every currency, all set up for you. Select your country's link and land directly on Hostinger's page. Browse through the plans or explore the nav bar for all services. Pick your perfect plan and get ready to rock your online presence. Discount code BONANZA. This discount code works across the board. You're getting that extra 20% off on everything. VPS Hosting, cloud hosting solutions, website builder tools, Hostinger Horizon, business web email packages, every single plan. I'm going with business web hosting for this walkthrough, so watch as I navigate to the web hosting section. The secret weapon. Here's the insider tip that makes all the difference. Use a fresh email address that's never touched Hostinger before. This little trick can be your golden ticket to unlocking the best promo code deals. Currency conversion made easy. Seeing dollars in this video? No problem. The moment you click your country's promo code link, boom, everything switches to your local currency and language automatically. It's that simple to rock and roll. Your discount code awaits. All promo codes and discount codes for every nation are waiting in the comments section. Find your country, click that link, and let's rock this hosting party. Time to roll with the best hosting deals on the planet. Happy hosting!